And up next, we have India's most trusted electronics retail stores chain. And this one goes to Next. May I please call upon Mr. Ketan Khanna, Head of Marketing, and Mr. Murli, Head of Operations, to join us on stage to collect this prestigious award.
Thanks a lot for this brilliant opportunity, and I would like to thank India's most trusted brand awards and the consumers for putting this faith in our brand, and we keep the promise to deliver in the same pitch. Thanks.
Thank you so much. And we have come to the 29th award now, India's most trusted travel and leisure company. And this one goes to Mercury Travels, Mr. Ajay Bhatia, Vice President and Chief Operating Officer, to please join us on stage. Say a few words, sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to thank our customers, our business partners, business associates, our team members, their families, IBC, for all the trust and support. Also, all the guests present here would request, in case you think of travel and holidays, think of Mercury Travels next time and give us an opportunity to serve you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. And now we have India's most trusted structural tubes. And this one goes to Tata Structura, Mr. Vineet Singh, Regional Sales Manager West, and Mr. Girish Joshi, Senior Manager Brand Development, to join us on stage. Request you to say a few words.
Good evening, everyone. This journey of Tata Structura in Tata Steel started, I think, almost 10 to 11 years back. And during this journey, we have received many accolades, but this one was, I think, missing. And as a good student, when you prepare and you do well in exam, and unless you don't get the good results and the good reward at the end of a year. Though this journey was long, but we are very happy and thankful to IBC Info Media and especially to Mr. Kaushik and above all the consumers who have trusted and made this brand Tata Structura, who is shaping the skyline, outline of whole country for making this success. And we thank all the consumers and this rigorous process through which we have selected. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Congratulations, sir, and truly very well said. You definitely need the awards for recognition of the hard work that's been done. Well, we are done with the first 30 awards. Congratulations. A huge round of applause for all the winners, for all the hard work that's been put up. And I would like to thank you, sir, Mr. Arvind Malkare, IRTS Government of India, to please, you joined us on stage and giving away the awards. And I would request Mr. Hemant Kaushik to take rest for about 2 minutes. I would now like to call our associate, Mr. Riaz Gangji, Managing Director from Libas, on stage for a small speech. Huge round of applause for this gentleman right here. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much for the award. Thank you so much for having us over here. And it's a great feeling to be, associated with this brand and also to be getting this award, consumer-based award, basically. We've been in the business for last 20 years and serving the grooms and the brides in Mumbai and other cities. Now with 11 standalone stores and 19 more planned for the next 2 years, we wish to serve the consumers the way we've been serving for the last 2 decades actually. And thank you once again for having us over here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And now for the rest of the categories of the award, I would like to call our special guest, Mr. Gopal Shetty, Member of Parliament, to join us on stage here. He's on his way. All right. And our second special guest would be Mr. Subhash Desai, Minister of Industries, Maharashtra government, to join us. They're also on their way. All right. So, sir, I would request you also to... Okay. And once again, I would like to welcome Mr. Arvind Malkade, IRTS, Government of India, who's joined us to give away the next set of awards. Let us begin with India's most trusted law institute. And this one goes to National Law University, Jodhpur, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar Singh and Mr. Ranjit Thomas, to please join us on stage to collect the award.
Thank you. Good evening to everyone. It's a matter of great pride and honor to receive this award on behalf of NLU Jodhpur. NLU Jodhpur, established in 1999, we are serving the cause of the legal education in India. And while expressing my gratitude for this honor for this organization, I also express that we are well deserved and well earned this award. Okay, our students are basically, this award goes to belong to our students, the faculty members and administration of NLU Jodhpur, who are serving, who are giving their times, and they are maintaining the highest top most schools in India itself, law education. Thank you very much.
Thank you and congratulations. All right, up next we have India's most trusted footwear, and this one goes to Paragon. I would like to call Mr. Naveen Thomas, Senior Vice President Sales and Marketing, and Mr. Thomas Money, Senior Vice President Retail Sales.
tells me to speak. Anyway, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and I really thank all of you all being here, and even thank IBC for giving us this opportunity. Talking a little short about Paragon. Paragon is close to over 40 years. We have close to 500 plus distributors in India. We make close to 140 million pairs a year. That's like close to 4 lakhs pairs a day. We also consider like we are the number one footwear company, number of pairs sold. Thank you.
Thank you so much and congratulations to you, sir. Now we have India's most trusted TMT bars, and this one goes to Indus 555 TMT, Mr. S.S. Srikanth, Managing Director, and Mr. V.V. Krishna Rao, Brand Manager, to please collect the award on stage. Welcome, sir. A huge round of applause for the gentleman right here.
Happy evening, everybody. First, I thank these organizers, including Kaushik ji and the entire team, who are wonderfully making this event and motivating all the trusted brands to work a little more and to deliver to this country. Like yesterday, birthday of Dr. Abdul Kalam, he told to dream big, convert those dreams into thoughts, and again those thoughts into actions. And we are all people who can make it. We have a platform to do that. Second, I very happy on behalf of Indus TMT to get this India's most trusted brand award. And this is because of the trust all our consumers are having on us. And Indus TMT has given many new things and innovative things to this construction industry, including the 550 grade, 600 grade rib bar, which has highest bonding strength in this country today. And these awards are really motivating us and making us feel more responsible to give much bigger things today. On this occasion, I take opportunity to express my gratitude to all my employees, trade partners, engineers, architects, my parents, all my family members including my wife, and finally all the consumers who had trust on us and continuously buying our material. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your kind words. That was wonderful and congratulations to you. We now have India's most trusted electronics retail store, and this one goes to Yes Mart. Mr. V. Ravi Kumar, Managing Director, and Ms. V. Nilima, CEO, to please join us on stage to collect the award from Yes Mart. I'm afraid they are not here. Moving on to the next award is India's most trusted mobile phones, and this one goes to Intex. May I please call upon Mr. Anupam Gupta. Congratulations, sir. Thank you so much. And we have India's most trusted logistics company, and this one goes to Apogee Logistics. Mr. Manish Gujjar, Managing Director, and Mr. Shantanu Mondal, Manager, Business Development and Planning, to please join us on stage to collect this award. motorcycles. And this one, once again, is my personal favorite. We have Atlas Cycles. Mr. Deepak Sharma, Assistant General Manager, Marketing Communication, and Mr. Prince Kaushal to please join us on stage.